Hi friends, Travis here, and today's video is kind of a room tour of my studio interior room that I had on Carnival Liberty way back in February. I didn't take this footage with the intention of creating a room tour out of it, so just be aware that these first couple of room tours that I'm going to be doing are going to be, I don't know, sloppy in a sense. That's not something that I ever really intended to do until recently, so I'm kind of going back and reworking that a little bit with footage that I already have because people have been asking for them. And yeah, so moving forward when I'm on a cruise or whatever, I'm going to do a much more thorough job of going through the whole cabin and unpacking everything like you see other people do. But bear with me for these first few while I put these together as best as I can. But yeah, without any further delay, let's go ahead and roll right into the video. Alright, so here we are, room 2207 on Carnival Liberty. This is one of the studio rooms. They have them on decks 1 and 2. Some of them have portholes, this one doesn't. But anyway, here we are going into the room. It was very dark in there at first, so yeah, you have this pull-out sofa there that does become a single bed, and then also you have the official single bed over there, the vanity, mirror, TV, all that stuff. It's an older ship, and that definitely shows. This room is tiny. It's one of those studio rooms way in the front of the ship. I have a, what is that, a twin bed? I almost said a queen, I wish. No, and that's it. This is home for the next few days. You know, this is a lot smaller than it looked in pictures. There's also really horrible lighting, so bear with me this week. But anyway, it's cozy. Like, I think it's really, you know, I dig it. Let's see, we got a bathroom in here, pretty standard. Shower with a curtain back there. Decent size actually, though. You know, all things considered. I think the little space pods on Royal Caribbean's ships are smaller than that. So that's not bad. And yeah, I got a full couch over here. And I wonder if that pulls out, not that I need it to, but you know, not bad. That's it. That's the extent of it. I can do a little spin here for y'all, and you can see. I specifically picked this room because it's one of those like studio type rooms. That's the door to the bathroom. That's the door to the hallway. There's a closet. That's really it. A couple of things to note, there is a power outlet in the bathroom as well as one on the vanity in the main part of the room that is both American and European compatible. There aren't any outlets or USBs by the bed, but they do have a light switch there, which is convenient. And yeah, this room is perfect for a single adult or maybe an adult with a single child or something, but for parties any larger than that, I would recommend getting at least a regular inside cabin. Even with the wonky format, I hope you found this video helpful, and I want to thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those fun things. We'll talk soon, and y'all have a good night.